Okurigera hari State Minister wa Ministry y'abakozi Honorable Grace Meru Mugasa abakozi ababire bari bakuru b'amashaza bakuru b'amagombora hamwe n'abakuru bemeruka kandi abahirweyo obusinga bwa Rwenzoro ngo bakore na government ejo barumuntu baza kutunga imishara yabo na sente z'akasimo
biliyoni 5 ne miliyoni 8 ne sente zikugwamu. Abantu abo sente zabo zigenzere mu budget y'omwaka gw'ebyensimbi ogugenda kutandika. Nabo ekyo kutandika n'okwezi kwa musanju kwa 8 baija kuba ni basasurwa. Abamu bakafa mukama abahereze kyumure kirungi baita abana babo baroho kandi abandi tukusima ruhangangu baroho na hati buno kandi bagenda kutunga kasente kabo bakegondeze tukusima President Museveni.
Minister yagaruka yagira ngunangwa abana abu abazire babo batirwe tubashire kwata sente zijaga
ekya kandi abana basigairo bali ba administrator esente tiziri zanyu ziri zeka yona muzikolese kurungi kandi esente zo muzinvestinge habo kwa bazikozere bakateka mamani gabo inye mutayirora kandi mukatandika kuchakara mukatandika kuswera abakazi bahyaka mukatandika kugula engoye no kugenda out hata aho mujja kwa mutakiya ijuka ligase yo muzayirogwa yakozereki ayakozere sente.
Honorable Godfrey Kabyanga or State Minister wa Kanyabwenje hamwe na Nokabulihanga wenajana ngo okucererwa kwa sente zicikaretwaho okubanza habura bimwe abahandiko ebyabire no bagambwaho.
There were challenges of verifying who worked and who didn't work. These people worked in the 80s. Because I think most of them started working in 1980. And some of them extended after 86, but some of them eventually were replaced around 86. And those are around over 30 years. Some of the records were not there. They were not traceable.
Those who died before 1995, they missed on the list because they could not meet the period of 10 years. However, we are still in negotiation with the government to see that they also get benefit.
Abasente nibaza kutungo kuruga hari miliyoni 5 okuza hari miliyoni 100 okurigera hamurumo gwabire nubakora hamwe na n'ubwire obamazire amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.